Okay, so morning, it's Monday, weekend's gone, so back in the workshop and back on the Monaco Restoration. So I'm super chuffed that the welding's done now. It's the next stage. I don't mind doing the welding, I do enjoy it, but when you have to do, when it's quite a lot and you're working on the car, it's just nice to come away from that and then start the next phase and the clean up process towards the respray. So what I'm going to do now is get all this cleaned up and treated, and then start cleaning up basically all the suspension arms and the underneath, ready for the undersill. I've also got cam cover gasket to replace, cam angle sensor O-ring to replace. We're also fitting brand new manual window regs in this, but that won't be till we're putting the car back together. So I think before, the only work I've got to do before it goes to paint is get the full undersill done, cam angle sensor O-ring, cam cover gasket. It says wire up hard top, so I might get that wiring done before it goes. It's one less thing to do when the build, and the rest of the works are literally just when we're putting the car back together. It's got here replace offside rear lamp, which we do obviously when the car's going back together. So yeah, so a few shots underneath. It's not too bad. It's in sort of, I would say, stays slightly better than average condition than a sort of Mark 1 that hasn't been undersealed, that's generally lived outside. But I'll get the clean-up wheel. As you can see, the oil leak there, which is coming from the cam angle sensor O-ring, which is the reason why we're replacing that. So yeah, I'm going to just get cracking on and get this cleaned up, and then once I've cleaned it up, I'll show you guys what I've done. So let's get to it. Okay, back with Project Monaco. Actually just started grinding as I started talking. Never mind. Should be able to hear still. So basically, I've been prepping the car for the undersill. Suspension arms cleaned up. I've got a bit to do up there still. The reason why I've still got a bit to do there is because when I was doing the cleanup process, I came across this. There's a previous patch repair. Let's get some light on that. Previous patch repair. So I've got to dig this out and then see what's what. I think I jinxed myself with saying that all the welding works are complete now, so I'm going to dig that out and then I'll see what's what once it's all out. Okay, back with Project Monaco. I've now opened the said area. There we go. So basically, this has had a patch previously and it was all corroded. So I've cutting it all back, taken the lip out, sort of just here, cleaned it back. It's all good this side and that side. It was just concentrated in this area here. So that's the hole I've got. I've now made a panel that's just going to go in there. I'm going to weld that in right now. So back in a mud. Okay, back. I'm now welded in. Oh my god, it was just quiet just a second ago. Sod's law. So I've welded in now. Anyone that spotted the deliberate mistake is that I actually painted with zinc primer the wrong side. So after I shot that video, I painted the other side, let it dry, put it in, and then sort of power filed just the edges away. Yeah, painted the wrong side. Got good penetration on the plug weld there. You see the stone chips come off, so I can now crack on with the undersill, which is sort of ready to be done now. I've cleaned up the rest of the car while I've been doing other bits and pieces, so yeah. Let's get undersealing. Okay, back on Project Monaco again, and I'm all undersealed. Oh, where's my torch? So underseal's all done. There's the welding repair that I've done. You can hardly see that. That's basically the finished example of everything all rebuilt and undersealed now. So now what I did notice on this car while I was under here is that the slave cylinder is just fractionally leaking in there when you pull the rubber back. There's fluid in there, so we're changing that. I've notified the customer, and customer's also going for a new exhaust. So once this car's all resprayed, I did let her know that this is dramatically going to let the overall look of the car down. Looks a little bit like Swiss cheese. There we go. That's a good shot, isn't it? Did make me laugh. So, doing the mechanicals now. Cam cover gasket, cam angle sensor O-ring, slave cylinder, get the exhaust done, and then can strip for paint. So I'm going to crack on with that and I'll get back to you. Okay, morning everyone. This is the next update on Project Monaco. So I've been speaking to Irma from the paint shop, and he said it's just about to go into paint, so I thought I'd come down and see how things are going. So we use AJ Bodyworks. We've got a couple of other paint shops as well, but today this one's at AJ Compton. This is a nice van that they've just done. Nice Volkswagen tax on that as well. Does look good. So yeah, let's go and see what's happening. Herman said it's all ready to be painted, so let's see how it happens. Here's the man himself. I'm going to say hello to everyone at YouTube. This is not. I have been calling you Herman for a while, haven't you?
That's alright.
But it's not. It's Irma.
How are you? Alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
Good. Come to have a look at this.
Yes. So I've said to Irma that I was coming down to do this video. I've been doing videos on this at the workshop about every step that I've done. So I just wanted to sort of get a video and show the people the stage that it's at. So what stage is it at?
What I've done, obviously you do welding, and I make sure funnel is proper clean. I clean it with grinder, make sure it's not too hot. I put fiberglass, leave it overnight so I get cured properly.
Yep.
And in the morning I fly off, put skim of filler. I try to avoid as much as I can.
Yeah.
As I said, everyone works different, so.
But giving it a bit of time to dry helps it better, rather than just leaving it going straight on, doesn't it?
Yeah. Has to be more than 8 hours, I think.
Yeah.
And block the filler, make sure it's nice and not dented.
Good. Looks good.
It does look good. And
so it's ready. Is it ready for paint now?
No, it's not. I put a couple coats of primer last night. I baked it. I fly off, and now I'm going to mask it up again. You see this?
Yeah.
Where I went through is going to be masked up again.
Yeah.
Put a couple more coats of primer.
Okay, cool.
Knock it off.
Yeah.
Or bake it for 40 minutes. Then fly off. Remask it again.
Yeah.
And then it's ready for paint. I've done a stone chip.
Cool.
Again, with the stone chip, I would like to leave it 5-6 hours so they can cure properly.
Yeah.
I'm going to reprime the bonnet, make sure no worries through, and it's ready to paint.
Cool. Let's have a quick look at the other side.
Yep.
So you're going to be painting this later on today then, aren't you?
Yeah.
Cool, okay. Alright, nice one. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll continue this video when we get the car back at the workshop, and when are you going to deliver it? Yeah.
Can do, yeah.
Alright, cool. Alright.
Fine.
Or either that or we'll come down or something like that, so. Cool, so cheers Herman, and yeah, you might see him more on some videos if you like his face being on here. Cheers.